Okay, here we go. We have our oil trade right here. Let's go ahead and change this to oil. We got 6 contracts, and we'll go ahead and execute our long position here. These are the charts on the right here, and it's a point and click here on NinjaTrader. Here's our entry, there's our fill, we got our stop right here at the bottom in red, and we got our profit target up at 15 ticks at the top. Okay, so average fill is 49.33, and now we just let this thing kind of do its own thing here. Now our traders call these trades live in the room. I'm just taking this trade from our trader. That's all I'm doing. This isn't my call or anything like that. You can see he got his fill too. He's using NinjaTrader as well. It's just Chart Trader. I'm using the Trading Dome. So you can see this is our trading room with all our traders in it, and now it's just it's just autopilot right now. Now these little videos here, they give you an idea what our room looks like and how these futures work. But if you really want to see, you can't tell a lot from one video or one trade. I mean, you really need to come into the room, and we have free trials where you come into the room for a week and you get to see us trade. Do we call the trades on time? Do we not? Do we fence it? All these things you can see. It takes at least a week to identify whether a program is worth its salt or not. And so, I know a lot of people try to get a lot of information out of these videos, and it's just impossible, to tell you the truth. You really need to watch this live and come in and see us call the trades. So I tell that to everybody. But as you can see, that's our trader's cursor going over on the right. That's not my cursor. That's him executing his trades, and then mine. That's my trading dome right there. So that's how this kind of works out. But this is we have our bow indicator at the bottom. It's a proprietary indicator we use, and we have 2 basic setups where we get about in about a 3-hour period, we usually get somewhere between 4 and 7 trades. All right, and a lot of people ask what's your winning percent and things like that. People tell you a 99% winning track record, but if your drawdown wipes all of that out, what does that matter? Again, that's why the free trials are important, because you can see, when you take a loss, how much of a loss do you take? I mean, does it wipe out all your winnings? Yet I know a lot of people say, "Oh, we have these huge winning percentages," but if your losses knock all that out, what's the point? And not only that, we all know that most trading rooms just make up, they just make up their wins and just put them on paper, unless you have a legally audited trading account. Track records don't mean anything. So again, that's why it's important to come into the trading room and watch these live trades. It's only for 2.5 hours every morning. It's not like it's an all-day thing you have to sit in. We only trade right here in the open, and that's when markets move the best and they're most decisive, and you can get a lot of nice trades. All right, we're getting close to our profit target now. So that's all good. Now a lot of people would take themselves out right here, getting a little nervous and like, okay, I just want to, I don't want to lose all this money here, and you can't do that. You need to sit in the trade and stay in the trade, and unfortunately, most people will have gotten out. I have my 15 tick profit target, and until I hit that. Now I'll move in my stop, and I might get stopped out. Like I'll move in my stop. I won't take anything more than a 3 tick stop right here. I would never allow our price to come down and stop me out at a 49.19. There's another trade of ours right there. That red arrow designates a nice short we had earlier. There's our long. He puts a green arrow up, and we still are not filled. Again, on 6 contracts, $10 a tick per contract. So that's why you see it moving in $60 increments. And that's it. There it is, 900. So That was just an example of one of our trades. As I said, we have plenty more. You can see the arrows on the charts here. Those are all the trades we took in a live room. So he's not putting arrows where he didn't call it, or he puts it down good, bad, or ugly. All right, thanks a lot.